Hey third graders, today we are going to be learning about something brand new called a diphthong. Now, a diphthong is a word that has a single sound that is created by the combination of two vowels. So in case you forgot, your vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. Sometimes when two of these vowels come together in the word, we get a brand new sound. So let's look at some examples in paragraph 4 of a tropical rain belt. Let me get a pen so I can circle them for you. The first word we're going to look at is the word clouds. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to circle it here. Actually, this word pops up a lot, clouds. So where do you notice the diphthong in the word clouds? Yeah, that's right, O and U. And what sound does it make? It makes the sound ow. So if we look at the word showers, we notice that we get a similar sound in the word showers, only showers uses O and W. So when we get O and U, these two vowels together, we get the same sound. Here are some of the diphthongs that we are going to be looking at today. We're going to be looking at cloud, downpour, moisture, point, showers, soil, south, and sprout. Each of these words has a diphthong in it. So your job is to sort them in the right spot. Some of them have the O-U-ow sound. Some of them have the O-I-oi sound. And some of them have the O-W-ow sound. When you're done sorting, go ahead and pick the correct word to complete each of these 3 sentences. Good luck!